What is going on, everybody? Welcome to My GT Entertainment, and this is Joel. It is hot as I don't know what today, so I got a couple of fans going on. I usually do my installs inside the garage, which I'm kind of inside the garage right now, but the truck is a little longer than my garage. So speaking of the truck, today finally I'm putting up the Romik running boards. I came with a set on here, as I said previously, but I don't like the way they look. They've been kind of weathered a little bit, and when you actually go to step, there's not a whole step. Your foot gets kind of caught on between, and yeah, we're going to correct that today. So the good people at Romik sent me their newest and greatest running boards with the adjustable brackets, so you can actually have it up to body, middle, or out extended. The further you extend it out, the further it comes out. But we'll get into all that in a moment. We'll run the intro and see you in a minute. I say it all the time, I need to go ahead and redo that intro, because this truck, that Mustang, some of the other things that go around here are not in that intro, so we need to kind of update that. But nevertheless, what we're doing today is working on the Ram. We're doing the new running boards from Romik. The good people over there sent me their new system with adjustable brackets and a cover set for the DRP is what they're called. They can set from top body, so they'll sit at the top, mid body, or all the way down, and the further you come down and out, the further they push out. So we're going to go ahead and get that installed today. I'm going to go ahead and just get the old ones off first. Like I said, these came with the truck, but I want to say that these are either, and I found them on Amazon for like $100. They're metal, and they've been kind of weathered a little bit. They have a chip in them somewhere, like right here, you know, and the stuff's coming off. So we went ahead and did a little bit of an upgrade, and like I said, once I get these off, we'll introduce the new ones to you.
What you got going on?
Hello,
right there?
how you doing? Gotta get smaller because the top one is close to the body, so I got to I'm taking off these right now. It's a 14 millimeter. That's what goes on these. I don't know if it's the same size what's going back on, but I would assume it's the same size. But when we get there, I'll let you know. All right, so got them all done now. Just taking the whole thing out, and that's one. So you can see this is kind of rusty. The new ones won't look like that. So I guess I'll get the other side off, and we'll come back when I'm ready to start the new ones.
And
all right, as you can see, the other ones are gone now. They were a little rusty for sure. So we're gonna go open up the new improved ones and see what they look like. Let me get to it. Too old for this crap. And if I did it correctly, it probably stapled together. Y'all, they're stapled anyway. Shit.
oh yeah.
Hey,
Oh my God! A box in a box.
it's one of them trick boxes. We'll be doing this for all day long now.
It just keeps going.
Yeah. Ugh.
Here, hold on. All right, see you later.
Yep.
Damn, they really did get us with a box in a box. Bastards.
Might be another box
All
in this
right,
box.
real question. Can they just ship it in this?
I know. People like this. Like, you get one little thing and it comes in a 4-foot box.
I don't know, man.
Just like Jordan stuff.
Yeah.
I'll let her pay for it, though. It makes her feel good.
I like that. Makes you pay for it and claims it's his. I'm gonna use that.
Hey, I don't see a problem. I'm unemployed, so you know, it works out for me.
These are Romik?
Yep.
Romik.
Romik.
Unboxing the Romik steps.
They come pretty good packed up anyway.
Oh, dude, they're plastic.
Yep.
I'm just kidding.
There they are. Whoa. It's a grower, not a shower.
Yep, that's not going in the video.
I got it.
Oh, look how fancy.
And as you can see,
Nice aluminum. Is it plastic or aluminum? It's both,
plastic.
right? Okay.
And it has aluminum backing. So, like I said, we'll get into all the details of it here in a minute. This is obviously the passenger side. As you can see, they have a little bit more detail than that.
Oh yeah, these look way sportier.
Right.
Those look hunky.
Yeah.
That's a good word for them.
Garbage. So, but let's get it going.
All right, so with the steps,
That's
you have the
step.
brackets.
Then we got brackets.
Oh, looks like they sent you one bracket.
One big
It says
bracket.
bracket,
Just
not plural.
Brackets. Right. So it's just one big bracket that sits there and it unibodies the poop. You know.
No, it's actually like it extends and stuff.
Let's go gadget. Come on. All right. Look, you get directions and warranty, and of course, you got to use the code to get what you need to get. Everything is going that way. I don't understand.
Pretty easy though.
Yeah, this is pretty simple. And then your little packing list. Oh, and as you can see, they wrap everything tight. So you have all 6 brackets. One goes here, one in the middle, one in the front end. Finding which one it is sometimes is a little challenging, but we'll get there. So let me get these undone.
All right, so you're gonna have the initial brackets, really nice quality as you can see, and I mean these things are extremely sturdy, beautiful welds, smoothed it out, and then you're gonna find the studs behind here that are connected to the body, and pretty simple. Just gonna slide on, hang there, and as you see, you would apply your new nuts with washers. This is gonna hold it extremely tight to the body, and then you have all these other brackets, and this is where the adjusting comes in. So you have all these pre-drilled holes, and then you would line them up with those holes with the new washers and nuts, and you know, Joel's gonna pick his desired height where he wants to keep it. And keep in mind, like, the board itself is gonna be about 2.5–3 inches thickness, so you know, if you go super low, I think that'll be too low. I'm thinking either
Second from the bottom,
second to the bottom or second to the top. Those are pretty solid, but what we're gonna do is obviously apply these brackets all the way down on both sides, get them all snugged up, tightened up, torqued up, and then we can apply the second round of brackets, and then the boards will slide right on. And pretty easy install, very straightforward, but really nice quality too, so that's awesome.
All right, everybody, so here are the brackets without the board on it. As you can see, you have them one facing in, another one facing in, second one facing out. So that way it sits the way it needs to. I do have them level, I believe. Let's see. So they are level at the moment, but there might be some adjustments that you need to make. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the board put on. All right, guys, this is what it looks like on this side. I wanted to show you all the difference on something. You can get this option or not get this option. There's these covers that go over the brackets. They bolt in where the running board bolts in, so that way you don't see any of the exposed metal from the front view. Obviously, if you get low, you can see it from the side, but for the most part, that is what it looks like with the covers on it. And then I walked around this side over here because I didn't put the covers on this side, just to show you all the difference of what it looks like. So as you can see, you just see the brackets there. So the option is yours. If you don't care about the covers, you don't have to put them on there. If you do care, then you know it makes it more of a cleaner look. But these do give you the ample space step. I have no problems now. Get on here and ready to go. And they're a lot cleaner looking. They're like a plastic with grips on it. So, like I said, they definitely do a quality job on their stuff. All right, everybody. So that is the video for today. This is the Romik running boards with their new system for adjustments. So this is where we picked it for our truck. You could go just a tad bit lower. It could go up 2 more stages higher. So it definitely looks a lot better than what was on there before. And it also has the bracket covers on it, as you can see right there, that when you're looking at it, it looks like a finisher look to it. Thanks to Romik again for hooking me up with these. They look 150 times better than what was on here before, and I will always go to them for running boards if I need them. So as you can see, it does have that nice little look now, that with the black package, and now it has the black running boards. So we'll go ahead and finish up this video. Well, that is the video, guys. So if y'all are interested in getting any running boards, go ahead and hit up Romik. I'll leave their link in the description. And as you can see, the truck itself has a whole new look to it. I think they are wonderful. Like I said, this is my 4th pair that I've gotten from them. I've had one on my 2020 Explorer, my 22 Explorer, Sydney's ST line Escape, and now this. So I am very happy with the way the fit is. The install is pretty simple. They do their R&D for it, and like I said, there is no issues with the fitment to it. And as you can see, it looks pretty good. So y'all know the deal. We'll catch you in the next video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Peace.